At the end of the day, she dons tequila to drown out that one voice that comes in her head saying that, listen, you're failing. This is not working. Tequila does it, ladies and gentlemen. But please put your hands together to this person who's like, has a folio full of clients, a bank full of money, honey, a Rolodex full of contacts, lot of guilt, workaholic hai ye, Shilpa Shukla, aka Namrata Dalmia. Join us on stage, please. All right, going on to this man. Listen, अपना heart जो है बहुत धक 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 beat कर रहा है. Women nervous आ गए हैं. Hormones are going up and Dino, welcome Dino. देखो बेहोश हो गए लोग. Okay then. Also, we have another father in the middle of the maniac mothers. इनका trait and fabric of motherhood काफी अलग है. इनका नाम है अनमोल एंड इनका ना अलग ही पर्सपेक्टिव है, हस्बैंड पर्सपेक्टिव. आई लाइक टू कॉल इट दैट. मेंटल मॉम मीरा के साथ ये है एंड ही इज द गाय अगेन. लिसन संजय सूरी, यू गेट हॉटर. प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज. लेट्स वेलकम अनमोल, प्लेड बाय संजय सूरी. थैंक गॉड फॉर दिस ब्यूटिफुल फैमिली. ये लाइन से इनकी दिन की शुरुआत होती है. टिफिन्स पैक करते हैं ये, कॉस्ट्यूम मेकिंग, पार्किंग, कार पुल टर्न्स, बेस्ट मेमोरी, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में क्या हो रहा है, किसने कब क्या कहा, सब याद है इनको. मतलब पीटीए की वो बेगम है. एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ हेलीकॉप्टर मॉम. उनके बच्चों के अंदर फुल जीपीएस फिक्स किया है. शी नोज एवरीथिंग, मतलब कुछ भी मिस नहीं करती हैं ये लाइफ में. एंड शी इज़ आर मॉमजिला. संध्या मृदुल, कैन वी हैव यू ऑन? I like the name Ajo, huh? Okay, last but not the least, next in the row is a small town mom trying to navigate through this crazy jungle of Mumbai momzillas. वो चाहती हैं कि parenting जो है उसमें एक proper balance होना चाहिए. She is a blogger. She blogs about this and connects with a lot of mothers. And मीरा and अनमोल जो हैं अपने बच्चों को ये global international में with psychotic parents कैसे manage कर रहे हैं, we will find out. She is like you, she is like me, she is a stressed mom, she worries, she cares. Ultimately mental mom है ये भी. It gives me immense pleasure to call on stage someone we've waited to watch and with Narel photoing right now on the web series circuit, Karisma Kapoor. Let's hear it for our mentalhood family. Now, moving ahead, I would like to call upon on stage the content Zarina herself. Well, she is a doting mother to a beautiful son, जिनके गाल जो है कश्मीरी apples की तरह हैं, बाल जो है मुझे चाहिए, because I'm obsessed with hair, clearly. And she is someone who has got this star cast together. Ekta Kapoor, can I please have you on stage? Acha, before we give a whole countdown to the trailer, Ekta, how crazy was it to work on this? Because of course now you are a mother yourself, तो मतलब personal experiences कुछ यहाँ पे डाले हैं कि नहीं?
So this concept came to me 3.5 years ago, by Ritu, and it was supposed to be for a regional show.
Wow.
And I just went mad over it. I loved it. I said it was fantastic. That very minute I decided I'm going to call up Lolo and actually ask her to work with me because I've been a big fan of hers. We both are contemporaries, but you know, I've like grown up with her. She was my age only and she became such a big star. And I was always wanting to do something which I wanted to do, which spoke of empathy, that spoke of a journey. It's 3.5 years we've been working on this.
Wow.
From concept to script to storyline to almost 47 drafts of every episode. बहुत मेहनत, मतलब बहुत सारी मेहनत. And to get a perfectionist on, मतलब उससे भी ज़्यादा मेहनत. फिर ये top class actresses को लाना, मतलब उससे भी ज़्यादा मेहनत. But eventually, the best part about the show for me personally was that I don't think anyone here knew that I was planning surrogacy. And all through my surrogacy journey, which is the 9 months, the scripting was going on. And I can't tell you, there were days where I was like, oh my God.
Nervous breakdown.
The final drafts were coming to me, and I was feeling my final draft is coming out in few days. And my journey is going to begin. But I guess there was so much love and empathy also in the show that I felt like I gave birth to 2 babies.
Wow.
One was born on 27 January last year, and one now.
Wow, amazing. Let's hear it for Ekta. But I want to ask this to the whole cast. मुझे ये हमेशा मिलता है मेरी मम्मी से. तू माँ बनेगी ना तेको मालूम पड़ेगा. So finally, did you get that answer while you were doing this? मतलब what happened?
Asking me
Mummies
again?
all, or did
No, no, no.
mummies react in a particular way?
I think now the actors should take over.
Yeah.
From Sandhya to Kalkal.
No, that question doesn't apply to me at all. You.
Yeah.
Well, I've been through that.
Yeah?
Yes, yes. I think once I became a mother, I think I started to appreciate my mom even more.
That a lot of people
know?
say that. Yeah. That you start
And
appreciating
suddenly
your mother
I
much
hear
more.
me telling my children the same things what my mother told me. I'm like, oh my God, I'm turning into you. So yeah, that does happen.
Yeah. But you know what? Right now, let's all together give a countdown because we're going to ask more questions to everybody. But usse pehle trailer dekh le. Yeah?
I would like to say something here.
Yeah.
There are 2 trailers because we saw both the trailers and we couldn't decide which one to release. Like mothers can't decide which child to love more. So both will come one after the other. So please see both of them.
Whoa. Let's go for it. The trailer of Mentalhood. The trailers of Okay, guys, bus. Abhi, we need to go ahead with a question and answer session. Let's open the forum for Q&A. Request Ekta, Aparna, everybody on Team Mentalhood back on stage, please. Yay! Okay. Okay, बताओ किसको पूछना है पहले. हाँ, go for it. You already have the mic.
Yes. Can you hear me? Hello. Yeah.
Go for it.
Hi. Congratulations over here, Jigar. Hi. Congratulations. I think it's a fantastic trailer and beautiful concept. I think firstly kudos to that because it's very relatable. I have 2 questions. One is for the entire team, is because everybody is a working parent. What is the biggest challenge today for a working parent, especially in a city like Bombay? And what is it that you would want to tell for people who want to, start working as a parent? Who are already a mother and who want to kind of start working?
So I guess I'm the senior most parent over here with a teenage daughter and a young son. So I'd say like I can talk about myself. So I think for me it's mom, master of multitasking. A mother is a mom, a master of multitasking. So as long as you know your priorities and you know how to balance them and you can multitask them, then you can do everything in the world. That's what I feel.
Anything else? Anybody else wants to add?
I'd like to add, I'm a mom, dad, mom, however you want to define it. But you might have heard Mark Tully had said you can't define India, you have to experience it. Parenthood is the same. You have to experience it. So like you said, जब ये किरदार या ये भूमिका निभाओगे तभी समझ में आएगा. So the parents who are here, I'm not taking away the acting skills of that, but the parents who are not parents here, the actors, kudos to you.
Yes.
I just want to say कि 2 घंटे पहले संजू रो रहा था यार बच्चों को संभाल रहा हूँ बीवी बाहर गई है जयपुर काम करने के लिए. I just want you to know that.
That was because she was stressing, I said.
All right.
My second question is to Ekta and to Dino. Ekta, you are a single mom and Dino, you're playing a single parent. What is the best part about being a single parent and what is the challenge of being a single parent?
So I can say this about myself. The best part about being a single parent is that you have the ability to teach your child very young at a very young age that there are no fairy tales. And I will have the toughest job telling my child that, and I've used that in the show, that you're the child out of surrogacy. But I will also be giving him the biggest gift in life, which is that I won't feed him sweet and then send him to a sour world. I'll tell him the world is full of sweet and sour. And you have one parent, and your one parent loves you for two. And Dino's character is on my brother, so I would love him to speak.
Sweet. And well, I'm not a parent, but this is the first time I've played a single parent to twins. I must say, I love kids. I love other people's kids. But having these two children as my kids while shooting, kudos to all the parents. Really, it's no easy task, it's no easy job, and what they do to bring up kids is amazing. I still love the idea of having kids, and I would love to have kids, whether I'm a single parent or whether I find a partner, God knows. But I love the idea of having kids, and after shooting this show, I think it's just wonderful. You know, it's a new experience for me. Just shooting I'm talking about, not even taking care of kids, but taking care of them on the set. I felt like a parent of sorts, and it was just beautiful. It's tough, but it's beautiful.
You ready, buddy?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah. No more. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Could be a single mother, and I could be the father and mother together. Yeah. Why not?
Super.
All the
Who's
best.
next?
Yeah.
There?
Karishma, hi.
Okay.
Congratulations, you were looking awesome in the trailer. As usual, I mean, you're looking ageless. I mean, you still look gorgeous. What is it that motivated you to get into digital domain with this particular web series?
Well, I think when Ekta approached me for this show and I heard the story, I just couldn't say no. I feel this script is so relevant today. And for me, being a mother has been the most important thing for me. Like I've always said, you know, all my awards on one side and my children on the other. You know, an entire career on one side and my kids on the other. So I think being a mom has been so important to me, and that when I heard the script of this show and what it teaches you, and it's so relevant today to so many mothers, so many women out there, that I just couldn't say no to it.
Sandhya, would you like to share something about your very intriguing character called A. Joe?
What can I say about...
She troubles me a lot in the show. Bullies all of us.
what can I say about Ajo? I think Ekta knows Ajo better than I do, for some reason. Ajo is she's a perfectionist. She just wants everything to be perfect. She wants herself, her life, her children, everything has to be perfect. If something is just a little here or there, she has no tolerance for it. Which is why she has no tolerance for kanpuriyas and, she just thinks that she knows everything and, nobody should come in the way and question her system. And she's just one of those completely crazy boss ladies. Yeah, she's the boss, and that's. I don't know what it feels like to be Ajo. Like I said, the only child I have is me. I love looking after me. I'm not easy. So
hands
it's
are
a
full.
full-time job, guys. I mean, don't laugh.
hands full.
You think I've got my hands full. I'm not easy, and I spend a lot of time talking to myself and telling myself how to behave and how not to behave. And on this note, I'll just stop talking.
Hello. 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 Hi. Karishma ji, after a long time, here. आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आप एकता जी के साथ कोलैबोरेशन कर रही है क्या ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था
Absolutely fantastic. I think she is such a perfectionist also. And she is so involved and so motivated in everything she does. Is hats off to her. Being a new mom and still taking so much interest in our show. And of course, she obviously does it with every show of hers. And that's why she is who she is today. But it was just amazing, spending time with her, having our meetings together, and especially our last one, before our last shoot, watching her. She knew each and every character unbelievably well and performed them out to us. It was so amazing. Well done, Ekta, and all the dialogues. But I must tell you all a very interesting story that I've had a very beautiful childhood collaboration with Ekta and Tushar. When we were kids, we go back such a long way. So when we were children, her holidays, summer holidays, हम लोग कश्मीर जाते थे with our respective fathers. और वहाँ ओबरॉय होटल में शूटिंग होती थी. And in that beautiful lawn, there used to be multiple fountains. तो एक फाउंटेन पे जीतू साहब, एक फाउंटेन पे पापा, एक फाउंटेन पे राजेश जी, whoever, many actors. So at that time, Ekta had it in her. Every evening in the dining hall, she would dance and perform on Shriji and Jeetu ji songs for us. So I think she's extremely talented. Behind the camera, we need to see her in front now, I feel.
I have another childhood memory of Karishma's. There used to be, every time there was a new Star Kid being launched, there was this place where Star Kids used to dance. And I used to go because I had to lose weight, so my dad sent me there. But only one who used to come and dance for 6 hours without looking at her watch. Everyone else used to come for 1 hour, do their job and go. She used to dance for 6 hours, not take a 5-minute break. She was so committed. And she started her career from a South Indian film that everyone looked down on. And I still remember, I had a bet with a big producer. I said, this film will be a super hit. She was launched with Harish. Not many people know, at that time, people never thought Karishma will make it. And I'm so proud of this girl because she did it on her own.
Hello. Hi. I would like to ask maybe I can address it to the director or writer. Hello. So, well, the show focuses on moms and the women in the show. But most of the time we saw in the trailer that for anything the blame is only going to the mother, So, have this been kept in mind, what are the responsibilities of the father? Most of the time, the mom is being blamed for whatever is happening. Anything goes wrong.
Was that the case? I think the writer will answer
I think we reflect what we see.
It's a big part of the show. It's a big part of the show that actually there's a line of Karishma's in the show, and I don't think it's in this promo, which says very clearly that tum karo to ehsan, hum kare to motherhood. So automatically, if a mother doesn't do her duties, if there's any problem with the child, the one single parent that is blamed is the mother. And that's reflected because it's happening in our society.
Hi, everyone. This is Priyanka from Indian Express. I had the question for the director. Here, hi. There are quite a few meta moments in the trailer I saw when Sandhya and Karisma talking, and Sandhya says, "Of course, nepotism." Or well, when Karisma says, "Mera Taimur hoga," because I want my child to go in a school where Aryan Khanna's son studies. Were these things already there? I wanted to ask the writer. I don't think
Yes, the writer.
Yeah,
She had already put all of this in the script.
So I wanted to understand, were they already there, or when you got to know that this is the cast, so this would be perfect?
She just happened to write it.
Right.
Writer ji?
Ex-Miss Kanpur moving to Mumbai, she would have these thoughts, right? That my son will get into modeling and, get photographed like Taimur. So it was not later added, it was actually part of the script.
Right, but your conversation, your interaction with Sandhya, that specific scene.
Why would I ever feel there's nepotism? What nepotism? No.
But that's really interesting to see Sandhya saying that. I wanted to know what went through. I mean, were there any talks? Was there kind of a banter also? Or you guys laughed it off when you guys were actually doing that? Because as an audience, it's really amusing and interesting to watch that scene. When you did say that.
Actually, when you see the show, the scene is even more interesting.
it is.
Because she's firing me for taking a parking spot. And I'm like, अरे रहने दो भैया यार 5 मिनट में आती हूँ ना principal ने बुलाया है. So she's actually firing me about that.
Yeah, and I'm actually playing the nepotist.
Sandhya, how does it feel?
Oh, nice once in a while.
Right.
So what if it's acting just for a scene? It's good.
Also, Ekta,
I just want to say one thing. None of this, please, the word ajo, when it came to me for the first time, I said the instant, recollection will be kejo. And I and the writer discussed it. This is a perfect place to clear this out. I actually wanted Kejo to come in the end of the show, but we didn't shoot with him. But the fact of the matter is, what we wanted to show was how people take popular culture, and he's probably the most popular producer in the country, and then emulate them. So Anjana Joshi has become a Joe. Like most South Bombay mothers, she's obsessed with Karan. Anuja.
right. Lastly, Ekta, there is.
But it's all in jest,
But there's nothing about Karan. But like I've always said that a lot of South Bombay mothers would want to be out of a Karan Johar film. That's why Ajo.
Right. Ekta, also there's a Mumbai Mirror report that you and Akshay are collaborating again for an action comedy. How excited are you for that reunion after Once Upon a Time in Mumbai 2?
मुझे कुछ भी बोलने से मजबूर मत करो ये मेंटल रूट पे ही रख दो प्लीज
Right. Thank you so much.
Ekta and Aparna. Yo, Ekta and Aparna. This is Simran Singh here. यहाँ पे. एकता जी आपसे भी सवाल है, आपने माइक दे दिया. Yo, यहाँ पे. हाँ जी. First of all, congratulations to both of you. जैसे हमने होम देखा है, ब्रोकन देखा है, this can be the next big thing. Yeah. So मेरा सवाल पहले आपसे ये है, आप दोनों से ये है कि do you think that this show is it's like a dedication, आपने dedicate किया to your parents because जिस तरीके से जो heart है, जो soul है, वो दिखाई दे रहा है. पहला सवाल आपसे ये, फिर एकता जी आपसे एक और सवाल है. पहले आप इस सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. आप और अपर्णा दोनों. Have you dedicated this to your parents?
This is much more than just about being a mother. It's about being a daughter also. It's about being parenting in India, in urban India. How even small town India, urban India, the issues are becoming so much more about how other people judge you than your own relationship with your child. So I think it's a dedication to all parents. And I started off dedicating it to my mother when I started this story. I've ended up dedicating it to my son.
Aparna ji, you also.
The topic in itself is so relatable, right? I mean, I have a 12-year-old and I've been through this complete journey, and whether it's competing at the PTA, getting selected to the PTA or not. It's kind of an election, you know. So if you don't win in it, you know you're such a loser mom. Or being a working mother and being actually questioned by your teacher saying that you don't seem to spend quality time with your child, you know. Like there was a time when two mothers of a 2-year-old who was standing next to me were discussing how their child can write a E and the other child can write a F. And I was like, what the F? Because mine couldn't do a also, you know. So, so that really is the truth. So from the stigma of being a working mother to having the entire family expect you to be the perfect mother all the time, along with being the perfect bahu and the wife all the time, of course. This really is a tribute to all of us, to all the yummy mummies, you know, we come in all shapes and sizes and colors and with all backgrounds, but really, this is to all of us. So thank you so much, Ekta, the team, Ropali. Mentalhood really is about going mental all the time, you know. So thank you once again.
एकता मेरा आपसे सवाल दूसरा सवाल ये है कि आपने ये शो अपने पेरेंट्स को दिखाया मतलब जीतू सर एंड मैम ने देखा है ये शो क्योंकि ये दिखाना चाहिए मेरे साथ
ये एक्चुअली हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि एक सेंसर करेंगे पहले 3 एपिसोड का और एक बिग स्क्रीनिंग रखेंगे और मैं चाहती हूँ मेरी मॉम ये सब अपने दोस्तों को बुलाकर एक साथ देखे बिकॉज मैं ये किसी को अपने फैमिली को ये बिग स्क्रीन पर दिखाना चाहती हूँ. ये ऐसा शो है मेरे लिए, मैंने बहुत काम किया अपनी लाइफ में बट ये मैं इसीलिए कह सकती हूँ कि मैंने 3 एपिसोड देखते वक्त मैं खुद हंसी हूँ और खुद रोई हूँ. एंड आई एम नॉट फेल्ट लाइक दिस अबाउट माई ओन वर्क फॉर अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम. आई एम सीरियसली फीलिंग proud. So I want to show my parents this with everybody in a big screen, you know.
And I have voice notes from Ekta that I'm going to sell very soon. If anybody wants, just call me. You know, Sandy, you know, Ajo. You know, I'll sell them to you. Anybody wants them, just call me.
I'd like to add something. Just dive in. Request to all the writers. मेरी अपनी एक फिल्म थी उसमें एक डायलॉग था तुम्हें पता है मेरा बाप कौन है. मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा राइटर्स से अब इस शो के बाद लिखना शुरू करेंगे तुम्हें पता है मेरी माँ कौन है.
All right, let's have a question from you. You've been waiting.
Yeah, hi, I'm Shrishti. You know, this show deals with bullying, sort of domestic violence also, and, you know, how to deal with a teenage daughter. All under the, you know, premise of entertainment. But it seems that there is some kind of a serious message also underneath. So my question is for the writer, like what is the exact message that you want to convey through this show, and is this a feminist show?
All shows should be feminist shows as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
But for this show...
Nobody never really, I mean, accepts the fact that, you know, that it is
It's a show about mothers, and I don't think that there is anything more important to a mother than protecting their kid, whether it's from bullying, whether it's from themselves, whether it's from any kind of abuse. So there is no other take on this, you know. There can't be. But there are various circumstances, and that's what this portrays in every episode.
All right,
Hi,
let's...
this is Shubhanka from Miss Malini. Yeah, I just wanted to ask a question to all the women, all the women in the show.
You might have to be a little louder.
Yeah. So I just wanted to ask a question to all the women in the show, that when we watched the trailer, it seemed more of, though it's a story about motherhood, it also seemed like, you know, it was a story about how all of you as women bonded through the, so I just wanted to know how your experience was shooting for them.
Can I just take this? I actually just want to comment on the fact that other than the very dashing Dino and as I was calling him Sanjay ji earlier, and all the other men, this is largely a women-driven team. The cast is female, the director is female, the producer is female, the broadcaster is female, the writer is female. So we were literally an all-women's team. Of course, again, talking of the DOP, he was a gentleman, but largely the entire show was run on pure feminine energy. And I think what was really nice, and as you can see it in the trailer, is that eventually, even though we all spar and we have so many disagreements, we all kind of come together and support each other as all women should, because women don't need a preamble about their problems. They just get it. If you tell a girlfriend that you're having a hard time with your kids, you don't have to explain it she'll just know what it's like to feel bothered about your child, about your career, about aging, about, you know, being judged, about judging, and all the things that come under anything that has to do with womanhood. And as you can see in the show, even though there's lots of scenes where Ajo terrorizes the entire lot of us, we eventually come together as such a strong force. And I think you're going to see a lot of it in the 10 episodes.
Thank you so much.
Can we take one last question, please?
I have one more question. First of all, congratulations to the entire cast and crew on this wonderful trailer. And Karishma ma'am, welcome back. Over here, ma'am. Over here. Here. Hi. Yeah, so welcome back once again. And the first question that I would like to ask you is the fact that, you know, I mean, how excited are you to show this to your kids? Because first of all, you're coming back after a long time.
Well, I'm super excited and very emotional because, I mean, like the writer just told you, and I mean, Ekta's told you, all of us have told you, there is a meaning behind this show. There is a learning behind this show. Each episode has a message for everyone out there. I mean, even men watching this show will be like, oh my God, I didn't realize this. You know, we deal with bullying, with gender, with exam fever, with health, you know, various surrogacy. I mean, there are various topics today. So it's actually entertainment and you learn something at the end of this journey of each episode, which is so beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for answering this. And one question to Ekta ma'am as well, which is, you know, we all know by now why the title, I mean, why this title, Mentalhood. But, you know, whose brainchild was this?
My beautiful, stunning writer, Ritu.
Kudos to you for that. Wonderful.
She has relentlessly worked on it for 3.5 years. She has gone through her own emotional ups and downs through this. And she gave this title Mentalhood because we made her mental writing it.
Yeah. The title was Ekta's. At the end of episode 1 narration, she just came up with it and I was like, yeah, actually.
हेलो हेलो मैं शिल्पा जी से जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
Shilpa, we have to hear you now.
नमस्ते. बहुत ही सुंदर था. I think I've come back after like 3 years and I am really grateful for this experience. Thank you, Karishma, for making that call, and thank you, Ekta. Really, I mean it, because मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसे में वापस आके फिर से काम करना पसंद करूँगी. But this was like a perfect story, a perfect setup. Such wonderful actors. I could have never imagined that I'll be sharing the frame with, you know, what I mean. It's a dream come true. Thank you.
Okay, let's take one last. This is Pakka last, huh?
Tilo has to answer something.
So Tilotma, it's my question to you that how was your experience when you got your character, and what all was in your mind when you got this finally that you have to portray it, because we saw it in a different way. So what was your experience?
I was shocked. Look at my face. Arey, where's that poster gone? My mouth is open, na? There's a reason, you know, because when I got the call, I was like, you know, I'm a Bengali, right? And, you know, I pride myself to be very intellectual kind, you know. किताबें पढ़ती हूँ. तो ये character जो आपने कहा प्रीति वतन आई, वो आप किसी और को दे दीजिए ना. I was Ritu, Karishma, I was like, guys, it's a wrong number here, you know. I don't understand what made them believe in me being able to pull this off. And speaking of the word nepotism, I have heard about this in the industry a lot. I'm really, you know, I was really, really touched that Ekta, who's never met me, I've never met her, you know, I was so warmly welcomed into this family. And I never felt that I was an outsider, you know, given that Alt Balaji and Ekta, and, you know, I mean, they've been here for, you know, they're ruling the roost. And for an independent actor like me, you know, very Bengali and nerdy, to be playing this Punjabi mother is quite incredible. And I don't know anything about motherhood, but I do know that when the show started, my relationship with, you know, what my mother means to me took a very, very dramatic turn. And during that time, the sisterhood of, you know, these women on stage was really, really precious, you know, to work with women who really support. Like, it takes a village to raise a child. But I also think women, like, deal with so much that to have the camaraderie and love and support of women in life and professionally, and when women embrace each other, especially in a professional setup, you can't stop us. And Ekta is leading this brigade, and you can call us the Behenji Brigade, you can call us whatever you want, but but I'm very thankful to be part of this family, and thank you for making me feel so welcome.
I'd like to say this. I think before we look like we're complimenting each other, we're not. But how can she say that we welcomed her? We are honored to work with her. She's a fantastic actor. And so are all these women and great men on the stage. All Balaji's honored you guys did this show.
All right, thank you so much for being a brilliant audience. And here's to all our moms and the Mental Hood cast. Let's hear it for them.
To say that I'm really, really lucky. My mother is here today.
Oh, wow.
She happened to be in town. Nobody talked to her because I don't want her to tell you my stories. So I'll not introduce you face to face. But she's here and I'm really blessed. And she was also there when I started my first journey with Ekta years ago with Koshish Ek Asha. And this is a very good sign. This is like a huge sign. Thank you.
And let's have one last photo up, please.
One special mention for the producing team, Rupali and Pinto and her entire lot. All the wonderful managers, the support team. We couldn't have done it without you guys. I look so pretty.
All right, let's have one last photo up, please. Yeah, we would require everybody's solo pictures, please. One with Ekta first. Could we have your solo pictures, please? Could we start with you, Lolo? Okay. Karishma, if we could start with your solo.